How to fix WhatsApp not showing contact name. If your WhatsApp is not showing contact names and only displaying phone numbers instead, it could be due to several reasons like permission issue or sync problems. To solve this issue, this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, open App Store on your device, then on the searching bar, search for WhatsApp and make sure that there is no any new update available in your application. If you see Update Now button, then simply hit on that to update your application. Once you do that, the other step you need to follow is simply launch your settings on your device. Then scroll down a little bit, there you see General option, tap on it. Once you go through the General, you'll see iPhone storage under it. Go through it. Then find out WhatsApp application from here. When you go through WhatsApp application, you'll see two options. Among them, choose offload app and do offload app. Once you do offload app, you have to reinstall your application again and set up all of your login details. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.